This video is going to be really interesting because I'm going to be talking about how benzoyl peroxide is used for treating underarm odor and how does it help in detail. So benzoyl peroxide is a organic acid and it helps with killing the bacteria, especially the Propionibacterium acnes that actually causes the acne formation onto the skin. So the benzoyl peroxide is an antibacterial agent. So it kind of kills the bacteria. Our underarms have numerous different bacteria. These bacteria go into the pores and then it, infests itself with the oil, with the sweat, and it produces odor while taking up those oil and sweat. So that's why we have like a bad underarm odor. To get rid of the smell, you can use benzoyl peroxide with the concentration 2.5 to 10% and then get rid of these bacteria that are producing odor on the underarms. Not only that, benzoyl peroxide also acts as an exfoliator by removing the dead skin cells as well as the uneven skin tone appearance under the arms. In major of the cases, if you have like body acne, like upper body acne, sometimes people have acne underarms. So the benzoyl peroxide even treats the underarm acne. It helps to remove the excess buildup of the sweat, the oil. It kind of improves the hygiene of the underarms. That's why it is used for treating the underarm odor. But there is a way of applying it. As benzoyl peroxide is quite powerful with higher concentrations ranging from 5 to 10%, so you need to be very careful while applying underarms because it's a very sensitive area and it tend to react very easily because the skin over there is very thin. Benzoyl peroxide you can apply 1 to 2 times in a week if you have sensitive skin and check how it is reacting underarms and is it causing any redness, is it causing any irritation. If not, you can use it 3 to 4 times in a week, alternate days, and you can see that your odor, the smell that you are getting from the underarms have reduced a lot. You can even use benzoyl peroxide washes. You can take benzoyl peroxide wash and then rub it under your arm for a good 5-10 minutes, leave it and then wash off your body and then at last target your underarm. This can also kill the bacteria that are infesting itself under the arms and that will completely get rid of it. While washing your body, yes, it doesn't work that good as just applying benzoyl peroxide. So the way I do it is very simple. I take like benzoyl peroxide 5%. I can't tolerate 10% of benzoyl peroxide because it's kind of a prescription drug. If you have severe acne, that is when the doctors give you the prescription of 10% of benzoyl peroxide. So I just take like 5% of benzoyl peroxide, I apply it under my arms and I just leave it for a good 10 minutes. And after that, I just wipe it off with damp towel and I rub it till it's completely gone. And I even wash it off. I take a shower after applying benzoyl peroxide and my underarm feels fresh. This is how you can apply it and that can give you the best results. 5% of benzoyl peroxide is like for me the right percentage to work with. 2.5 is for the people who have like very sensitive skin type, lower concentration the better for you. So you can try 2.5% if you see that your underarms are reacting to absolutely everything. Once you have got the tolerance of applying benzoyl peroxide under your arm, it has been quite some time, then you need to understand that you need to be very persistent on applying it. You can't stop using it after you see like results and you're like, this is it, I don't have to do it again. That is wrong because if you stop using benzoyl peroxide, the odor causing bacteria will again come and infest your underarm and start causing odor. So you need to be very persistent. If you have very sensitive skin type, then you can use like once or twice in a week. But if you think that there is like high amount of odor forming bacteria and your skin is quite strong and it can tolerate benzoyl peroxide, you can use like application of 5% and then leaving it for 10 minutes and then washing it off. You should not stop using it. If you stop using it, the bacteria are gonna come again and make that odor that you can't stand. After benzoyl peroxide application, you need to make sure that you are gently but cleansing thoroughly the place. You cannot leave benzoyl peroxide in a particular place for overnight, especially higher concentrations. as benzoyl peroxide can lead to irritation. It is an ingredient, it's an acid. Yes, it exfoliates, it gets rid of all the bacteria, but it can even target your skin cells, and you need to be very protective about your skin cells. So you need to wipe it off completely and make sure that there is no remains of benzoyl peroxide later. You can even consult your dermatologist for the proper concentration to work for with your skin types, because every skin is different. There is oily, acne prone skin, there is dry skin type, there is sensitive skin type, and there is eczema skin type. There are so many different types of skin type that you can't do all the decisions by yourself. Sometimes you need the recommendation of doctors. If you have like a severe skin condition, you should always consult a doctor, not just writing something down and then using it on your skin and just going like bushfire redness, and that is causing irritation. So you need to be very careful of what product you're applying, especially onto the sensitive areas, that is your vaginal areas, your underarms. These parts are very sensitive and you need a consultation of a doctor. If you have like severe skin conditions, do consult a doctor and ask them what concentration is right for you. And if benzoyl peroxide is not for you, they're gonna definitely give you an alternative, and then you can use that product. After you have cleansed your underarm, make sure that you moisturize that area well, because benzoyl peroxide leads to dryness, and not taking care of that area can lead to more irritation. There hasn't been a lot of study of using benzoyl peroxide in underarms for a longer duration of time, so the research is lacking there. So my suggestion is not to go overboard and use it every day on your underarms. So my suggestion is that use it like 3 to 4 times a week, or maybe 3 times. That is like the right amount, because no study says that for longer duration of time, 10 years, 20 years of application of benzoyl peroxide is really good and nothing happened, no side effect, and it's an acid. So yeah, I would suggest not to use it daily if you have even oily to oily skin type, because there has not been a backed research about using every day for a longer duration of time. So that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below, or else reach out to me on my Instagram handle. Thank you very much for watching again. Make sure that you share with your friends this video, and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.